My master says I am happiness, not I am happy. So when I say I am happy, it is the I thought that lives in the intellect, that is a part of the ego, indicates the false I. And when I see, say, and realize that I am happiness, I am indicating the real I. The real I is of the nature of peace, happiness, wisdom. So that false I overshadows the real I. Then I say I'm happy in contact with something outside in the world. But when I say I'm happiness, it is within me. It is my nature. It has nothing to. Every action has a choice. I can do that action or I cannot. I can speak to you and I cannot. I can be in stress and I cannot. But the knowledge has no choice. So what kind of a knowledge we are talking about? We are talking about the knowledge of the real self. And that real nature is of the nature of happiness. It cannot be undone in any situation, even if you experience the struggle outside. So, what is that outside? It is caused by the body, breath, mind, intellect, and ego. But even behind that, that knowledge of the real self is present. Nothing happens to it. We have to fight. No need to go outside. Sit down, close your eyes, and reflect on the question, is there anything in the world that contains happiness? And you will discover that there is nothing in the world whose property is happiness. The food that you like, the person you love, the object you crave, they do not contain happiness. And if yes, then everyone will run after that person, that food. You see the understanding. One person likes coffee, other likes tea, second like pasta, the fourth like something else. The fact is that nothing in the world contains happiness till we run after, crave, and get into the stress, struggle, and suffering. We need to